A reliable high-pressure car washer can save time, reduce effort, and make vehicle cleaning much more satisfying. Here are 5 impressive portable washer guns for 2026, each offering something different depending on your budget, cleaning needs, and how often you wash your vehicle. Number 5. Akkhoo High-Pressure Water Gun. The Akkhoo High-Pressure Water Gun is one of the most compact portable washers I have seen, and its small size is honestly one of its biggest strengths. Folded down, it is about the height of a small bottle, making it incredibly easy to carry in the trunk or store in a garage without taking up much space. Even though it looks tiny, the cleaning performance is surprisingly capable for everyday car washing. The self-priming design lets you draw water from a bucket, bottle, or other available source, so you are not tied to a garden hose. That flexibility makes it useful for apartment owners, travelers, and anyone who washes vehicles away from home. The pure copper motor feels dependable and is designed for long-term durability, while the battery provides enough runtime for multiple cleaning sessions before needing another charge. Charging through the modern Type-C connection also makes it much more convenient because you can recharge it from a power bank, vehicle charger, or standard wall outlet. The different spray patterns allow you to switch between concentrated pressure for stubborn dirt and wider coverage for rinsing larger surfaces. I also liked how the foam attachment spreads soap evenly across the paint, helping loosen grime without wasting detergent. The pressure is impressive considering its compact design, although it is not intended for heavy commercial cleaning. For anyone wanting a lightweight, highly portable washer that delivers solid everyday performance, the Akkhoo is an easy recommendation. Number 4. NEWBENY 200 Bar Washer Gun. The NEWBENY Washer Gun strikes a nice balance between portability and cleaning power, making it a practical choice for regular vehicle maintenance. Its brushless motor immediately stands out because it runs more efficiently, produces less heat, and generally lasts longer than traditional brushed motors. During use, the washer feels responsive, with enough pressure to remove road dust, mud, bird droppings, and everyday grime without feeling underpowered. The 6-in-1 adjustable nozzle is especially useful because changing spray patterns only takes a quick twist instead of swapping accessories. Whether you need a narrow jet for wheels or a wider spray for body panels, everything is available from one nozzle. I also appreciate the dual water supply options. You can connect it to a household tap or simply place the hose into a bucket when no water connection is nearby. The stainless steel filtration system helps protect the internal pump by keeping debris out, which is important if you are drawing water from natural sources. The included foam bottle performs well and creates a consistent layer of soap that improves cleaning efficiency. Compatibility with many Makita-style batteries is another advantage for people who already own cordless tools. While the claimed pressure sounds very impressive on paper, real-world performance is naturally lower than industrial pressure washers. Still, for personal vehicles, motorcycles, bicycles, patios, and garden work, it handles the job confidently. This is a smart buy for homeowners who want dependable cordless convenience without unnecessary complexity. Number 3. Gisam High-Pressure Washer Gun. The Gisam High-Pressure Washer Gun earns its place near the top because it delivers a noticeable step up in both features and overall performance. One feature I immediately appreciated was the digital display, which shows the selected power level in real time. Instead of guessing which setting you are using, you always know exactly how much output is being applied. The 4 adjustable power levels make this washer much more versatile. Lower settings work well for delicate surfaces or watering plants, while higher settings provide the force needed for dirty vehicles, outdoor furniture, driveways, and stubborn stains. Its brushless motor operates smoothly and maintains consistent performance during longer cleaning sessions without excessive heat buildup. Ventilation openings also help the unit stay cool, which is reassuring if you are washing multiple vehicles back to back. The rotating nozzle offers 6 different spray patterns, making transitions between precision cleaning and broad rinsing effortless. Water flow is another highlight because it covers surfaces quickly, reducing the time needed to finish an entire vehicle. The 5-meter hose provides comfortable working distance, while the self-priming capability means you can draw water from buckets or other available sources whenever necessary. Battery compatibility with popular Makita 18-volt systems adds even more convenience for existing tool owners. Although the extra features make it slightly more expensive than simpler models, the added flexibility and stronger overall performance justify the investment. For users who want more control and premium functionality, the Gisam is an excellent choice. Number 2. Wireless Electric Car Washer Kit. The wireless electric car washer kit is designed for people who value flexibility above everything else. What impressed me most is how many different situations it can handle without requiring access to a traditional water supply. Whether you are cleaning your vehicle in a parking area, washing outdoor equipment, watering plants, or rinsing garden furniture, this machine adapts easily. The cordless design removes the hassle of dragging extension cords across the driveway, while the self-priming system allows water to be pulled from buckets, bottles, rivers, or even swimming pools. That freedom makes outdoor cleaning much simpler than using conventional pressure washers. The brushless motor delivers efficient power while remaining relatively quiet, and because it produces less heat, it should require less maintenance over time. Switching between the 6 spray modes is quick, allowing you to move from a focused cleaning stream to a gentle shower pattern within seconds. The durable housing is built to resist heat, corrosion, and water exposure, giving confidence during regular outdoor use. I also like the complete storage case because it keeps every accessory organized instead of scattered around the garage. While it may not completely replace a heavy-duty professional pressure washer for extremely demanding tasks, it performs very well for everyday household cleaning. For families wanting one portable tool that handles vehicles, gardens, patios, and general outdoor maintenance, this kit offers outstanding value and versatility. Number 1. YOFIDRA High-Pressure Car Washer Gun. Taking the top position is the YOFIDRA High-Pressure Car Washer Gun because it combines strong cleaning performance, comfortable handling, and dependable reliability into one well-rounded package. After spending time evaluating its overall design, it feels like the most complete option in this lineup. The powerful brushless motor provides consistent pressure while operating with noticeably less noise than many competing portable models. It also handles extended use confidently without showing signs of overheating, which inspires confidence during larger cleaning jobs. The 3 adjustable power settings give enough flexibility for different tasks, from gently rinsing painted surfaces to removing heavier dirt from wheels and outdoor equipment. One feature I genuinely appreciate is its comfortable grip. During longer washing sessions, the handle remains easy to hold without causing unnecessary fatigue. The washer also performs well with multiple water sources, allowing you to clean from buckets, bottles, streams, or pools whenever a faucet is unavailable. The stainless steel filtration system helps protect the pump by blocking debris before it reaches internal components, which should contribute to longer service life. The included foam bottle, storage bag, hose, towel, and accessories create a complete package that is ready to use almost immediately. Although some users may prefer additional spray pattern options, the existing setup covers most common cleaning needs effectively. For drivers wanting dependable performance, portability, and excellent overall value, the YOFIDRA confidently earns my top recommendation. That wraps up our top 5 high-pressure car washer guns for 2026. Each model has its own strengths, so the best choice depends on your cleaning style and budget. Which one would you choose? Share your thoughts below, then like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews.